Hello, Jonathan, Montana Fire Pits here again with some helpful tips before you order your burner. Here you go. In this video, we want to explain to you a few things that you need to be aware of before you add items to your cart and make that final purchase. These are the most common issues that we answer most of the time for you guys. Number one, you have to know the BTUs that you have available at your fire pit. Warming Trends and the Crossfire Burner are pretty much breaking the mold in terms of the number of BTUs required to run a gas fire pit. Typically, you may see things in the line of 60,000, 80,000, even 100,000 BTUs to run a gas grill. But in our fire pits, the most common sizes start at 180,000 and go up from there. Depending on the size of your burner, some of you are wanting those burners to push 300 and 350,000 BTUs. So therefore, it is absolutely imperative that you verify with your plumber or HVAC professional how many BTUs you have available at your fire pit. After you've determined the number of BTUs that you have available to your fire pit, then you can decide on the burner that's going to work best for you. 180,000 BTU, 250, 300, so on and so forth. You can determine and look at on the website the actual dimensions of the burner, the dimensions of the plate that works best, and how that fits with your fire pit. You've determined BTUs, burner size, now you're interested in the plate. What's the plate size? Think of this in terms of modular. Any burner can be combined with any plate. However, we do have the most common configurations already packaged together. For example, 180,000 BTU fits best on a 30-inch opening. But again, you can combine any burner with any plate size. FlexLine kits. Many of you are wondering, do you need one? Do you not need one? It's the key valve and the FlexLine to go from the key valve up to the burner. Our FlexLine kits are stainless steel, whistle-free, all of the pieces and parts that you need to get from the key valve to the burner, and we've just packaged that. Media. What type of media do you need? Media is referring to what goes on top of that burner. Lava rock, fiberglass, ceramic logs, ceramic river rock, etc. The decorative part. We have all of that under accessories, and you're going to want to determine we have pre-packaged amounts and things of that nature to make it easier for you. And final thing, lead time. How fast are you going to get it? You can assume about 7 to 10 business days from the time that you place that order. Depending on the season, depending on the volume at the factory, all of these things ship factory direct. We will send you a tracking number once we receive it from the factory so that you'll know exactly when you're going to get it. So we hope this helps you. Thank you for watching. Check out the website now, montanafirepits.com, for everything that you're going to need, and we look forward to helping you out. Thanks very much.